Assalamualaikum everyone. This is Afnan Yousuf, and today I'm going to show you that how you can create uh, these type of line charts or bar charts or different kind of charts in your ReactJS front-end application. So let's start with for creating charts in ReactJS. You can use different type of npm packages available, but I'm using recharts. You just need to type in npm install recharts, which is React charts. So after adding this package in your application, now this is my app. I'm writing an H1, for example, record, or you can say yearly runs record or by, for example, Javed Miadad. Okay, so I'm gonna show a chart here which will show us the runs of Javed Miadad yearly. So let's make a component for this. So I'm gonna create a folder components. Inside, I'm creating a file called, for example, cricket chart. So let's just say cricket chart.jsx. So now let's just create a function called cricket chart. For all right, so this function will return a div. Creating chart, first we need some data. So let's just create a constant for data. For example, I said record equals, this is going to be my object, which will store the year. For example, 2000, I'm writing for Miyadad 1988 and runs for say 250. So that's single record. I'm just creating some dummy data. So for example, 1990, and let's say 92, 94, and 96. So these are the years. And for runs, let me say 360, 850, 100, and let's say 230. So this is my data which I want to present on a chart. Years on the x-axis and run on the y-axis. So for, as we have imported rechart, we need to add some things for the chart. For example, we need to use, we'll be using line chart, so I'm importing it. We'll be using a line, x-axis, and y-axis. So for creating line chart, I'm using line chart, and the data would be coming from record. The width of this chart would be 500, and for now the height would also be 500. So this is our line chart, and inside that I'm stating that on the x-axis the data key would be here, on the y-axis, it will create its own y-axis as well. If I just mention that y-axis, use it, and we will be drawing a line. So the data key for the line would be runs. We have to give it like this. Also in here. So this is a simple way to create a line chart. Let's just import, let's just call this component in our app.js, and let's try running this application. So I say npm start. Okay, can't resolve this. Okay, all right, so that's the bad import. Resolved. All right, so you can see yearly runs by Javed Mirdad. I have not mentioned any key for the y-axis, so it's maintaining itself. And there are the years that we mentioned for x-axis, and this is the line running on runs. So let's just make 96 a big number, for example 820. So you can see the chart is changing itself. Let's just mention the data key for y-axis as well. So I say runs, so it will work on runs accordingly. And we can add some legends as well. So it will import it and will show that this is runs. Or you can have some tooltips as well. So the tooltip, just use this tooltip. So it will show you some tooltips over every record that is being placed on your chart. So that is a simple way to add some line chart. For example, I want to add some more line on the same chart. For example, I'm adding wickets, and for example, Javed Mehta has took 5 wickets in 1988. I'm going to change them. For example, 0, 3, let's say 15, and 8. So we have another key for the data. So we can add another line as well. So let's say line, and the data key would be wickets for this line. So you can see it's here. You can see it's here, wickets 8, and runs 850, wickets 15, because the number is too different. So that's the reason it's showing down here. And you can change the colors of line as well. So you can say stroke and just mention some, for example, some coloring so that they are coming in red, or you can add any color of your choice using that hexadecimal color code. So for this, I'm using, for example, CC 000. So yeah, it's yellow. And you can see the legends are also working, and the tooltip is also working here. So that's how you can easily add some chart in your ReactJS application. Thank you for watching.